everyone, Divyanshi again. I welcome you to the 7th episode of Know Your House by House Easy, where we will be taking you through another popular project of Noida, highlighting their flats, amenities and locality. We have received high number of views and comments on our previous 6 episodes, indicating strong interest and engagement from you all. The links to all these videos are attached with the I button given in the right top corner of this video. Please do subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and also press the bell icon for live updates. House Easy is a unique technology platform that enables customers to buy or sell refurbished homes in less than 5 minutes at the best prices. To know more about the apartments that we have and their prices, please call us on 8282825049 or visit www.houseeasy.com. Now, without any delay, let's begin the video. In this video, we will be covering one of a well-known project, Arctic Xaviers of Sector 168, Noida. The project is strategically located in Sector 168 and spread over an area of 5 acres and is one of the spacious housing societies in the sector. Arctic Xaviers offers studio apartments and 2, 3 and 4 bedrooms affordable homes in a skillfully crafted layout surrounded by greenery all over. The RERA certified residential project consists of 5 towers, each with 22 floors and 740 units. These units are perfect combination of comfort and style, specifically designed to suit your requirement and conveniences. There are studio apartments in 2 sizes. First is 408 square feet and second is 500 square feet. We have 2 BHK apartment in 959 square feet. 2 BHK plus servant is 1200 square feet, 3 BHK plus servant is 1400 square feet and 4 BHK plus servant is 2250 square feet, and the prices start from 45 lakh for a 2-bedroom apartment. The clubhouse at Arctic Xaviers offers opulent features such as sit-out area, party hall, cards room and indoor games. Other amenities of the project are jogging track, tennis and badminton courts, power backup, swimming and recreational pool, reserved parking and visitor parking, gymnasium, kids play area, piped gas, meditation area, security with intercom facility. Arctic Xaviers has a well-designed commercial complex adjacent to the clubhouse with a range of grocery shops, salons, pharmacies and food joints. Located on the Noida Expressway between Noida and Greater Noida, Sector 168 offers a smooth connectivity to other parts of Noida and Delhi. This sector has good connectivity both by metro and by public transport. Nearest metro station to the sector is Sector 142 on the Aqua Line, which connects Noida and Greater Noida. The metro station is just 2 minutes away. Auto rickshaws and e-rickshaws are easily available for the commute. Sector 168 Noida is a home of many schools, banks, commercial shops, hospitals, grocery shops and restaurants. All are within 5 kilometers of distance. There are top-of-the-line schools like Shiv Nadar and marquee hotels like Sandal Suites by Lemon Tree. Renowned GP Hospital is just 12 minutes drive from the sector. Apart from the residential sector, in close proximity is Sector 135, which is an office cluster and is considered to be the biggest office cluster of Noida. Sector 135 is a home of many MNCs and Indian conglomerates. The popular landmark and retail destination Advent Nevis Tower in Sector 142 is just opposite to the project and is at a stone's throw distance. If you are looking to buy or sell a home in Arctic Xavier, then you can get in touch with us at 8282825049. We have covered multiple projects on Noida Expressway. If you want to have a look at all those projects, then please check the links given in the description below. You can also connect us if you want us to shoot any specific project. Also, if you like these kind of videos, then please do subscribe to our channel. House Easy is a unique technology platform that enables customers to buy or sell refurbished homes in less than 5 minutes at the best prices. To know more about the apartments that we own and their prices, please connect us on 8282825049 or visit www.houseeasy.com. You can also go through our social media accounts. The links are given in the description below, and follow us there for live updates. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.